to Savannah Garol. Customers, you have been asking us the difference between the slow juicer and the juice extractor. The 4-in-1. The 4-in-1 juice extractor. So the 4-in-1 ni hii. Juicer ndio hii. Juicer box yake, slow juicer box yake ni hii. 4-in-1 box yake ni hii. So can you tell us what you have on your side?
So on my side, I have the 4-in-1. So this one comes with a normal blender, and now it has the juicer its own. Then it has the meat grinder and the cereal grinder. And on your side?
On my side now, I have the slow juicer
on its own.
So hii haina blender. Iko juicer peke yake. And then it is a slow juicer, just as the name. Yani ina juice pole tu. So utapata maybe the juice is a bit different from the juice extractor. Like hii inatoa maganda ile kabisa. Inafinya. That is why it's a slow juicer. And then venye nimesema haina this extra like the grinder, haina nini ya haina hizo, so inakuja tu ikiwa hivi. So this side ni ya kutoa juice. Once you juice, this side ni ya kutoa juice, the other side ni ya kutoa maganda. Then watazipata wapi?
Hizi utazipata hapa Savannah Garol. Na tuko wapi? Along Babandogo Road, Ken Afric Business Park, shop number 4.
Na tunafanya countrywide delivery. You can shop and pay after delivery.
Karibuni sana.